Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Google Colab with VSCode. To get started, open the VSCode app on your computer. This is where you'll set everything up, and once the connection is in place, you'll be able to work with notebook files in a more familiar coding environment while using Google Colab integration. Once VSCode is open, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Extensions. This area lets you add extra tools and features to VSCode, and in this case, you'll use it to install the Colab extension that helps create the connection. In the extension search bar, type in Colab. As the results appear, find the appropriate extension and click Install. Give it a few moments to finish installing. If VSCode prompts you to reload or refresh after installation, allow that to happen so the extension can activate properly. After the extension is installed, move to the top left corner of the screen and click on File. From that menu, choose New File. This will let you create a fresh workspace item for the connection process. When the file options appear, click on Jupyter Notebook. This is important because Colab works with notebook-based workflows, and opening a Jupyter Notebook gives you the right interface for selecting and connecting a kernel. You should now see a blank notebook open inside VSCode. Next, go to the top right area of the notebook window and click Select Kernel. The kernel is the computing environment that runs your notebook cells. So this is the key part of linking VSCode with Google Colab. From the options that appear, click Auto Connect. This tells the extension to begin the connection process automatically. Depending on your setup, a browser window or permission prompt may appear. At that point, click Allow and then follow the on-screen procedure to complete the connection. The exact prompts can vary slightly, but they usually involve confirming permissions so VSCode can access the Colab session correctly. Take your time here and read each screen carefully to make sure the connection is authorized. Once that's done, VSCode should be connected to Google Colab through the selected notebook environment. If it takes a few seconds, that's normal. You can usually confirm the connection by checking the kernel status in the notebook window. And that's it. You've successfully set up Google Colab with VSCode. If the connection doesn't appear right away, give it a moment, or repeat the permission step carefully to ensure everything was approved correctly.